Hello friends, today we are going to learn drip irrigation system. It is one of the irrigation system which is nowadays very useful since the rainfall in Maharashtra is not faithful. Okay, today so you are now watching how the drip irrigation is laid in the field or in the farm. So let's start from the input of the system. Here you are visible now. There is a chamber where the water is coming from the well. If you don't want the drip irrigation, then you can use the input chamber by unlocking the chamber or by opening the chamber. Okay, the black part you are now visible is known as a filter. It is one of the component of the drip irrigation system, which is very essential for the drip irrigation, since if we don't provide the filter to the drip irrigation, then there may be possibility of the blockages or the non-working of the drip irrigation system. So filter you can now understand by the word filter. Simply the function of the filter is to filter the water, to filter the clean water and supply to the next component of the drip irrigation. In front of the black part filter, here you can see the brand, one of the brand name Kothari. It is of the filter name Kothari is written here. So there are some brands which are of quality brands, we can say. In next to the filter, there you can see a blue part which is a valve, non-return control valve, you can say, here, which can be operated. Now it is in working position. Okay, so it is open now. Then next you can see the white pipe. The white pipe is a main supply pipe. Okay, so main pipe will carry the water to the required field. After the main pipe, you can see here the main pipe is laid underground to avoid the leakages of the pipe, to protect the pipe. Here you can see the open pipe for some purpose. So it is a main supply pipe. Okay, after that pipe you now visible the total field and the black pipes. So the main supply pipe, if the field is at a long distance, then the main supply pipe will be divided into sub main pipes. Okay, so here you can see now the drip irrigation is in working position. Somewhere you are seeing that the water is collected, the water drops are dropping. So next component after the main pipe is the lateral pipes. The black pipes are known as the lateral pipes. Okay, the lateral pipes are the main distribution pipes for the water. Here you can see the droplets. Okay, so drip irrigation is the, also we can say it is as a drop irrigation. So though the area is large, it can be under watering by using drip irrigation. So after laterals, next component will be there, nozzles. Before these days, or in the back, there were, when the drip irrigation was new, the nozzles were used. Nowadays the nozzles are fitted in the lateral itself, and it can discharge up to 8 liters per hour, 16 liters per hour. What the pipes laterals you are now seeing is of 2 holes provided as a nozzles, which can drop 16 liters per hour. Okay, so this is called as a drip irrigation system. What we are studying in books, it is directly, it's my view to give the idea of the field. Here you are seeing a drip irrigation system components. Once again I repeat, input from the well chamber, next is a filter, next is a valve for controlling purpose, then next is the main supply pipe, then next is the laterals and the nozzles. So it is the drip irrigation system. So by using drip irrigation system, so many benefits are there. You can avoid the wastage of the water, you can cover the area, large area, in a minimum water. Though the cost, there may be some disadvantages, like the cost is more than the traditional methods. Though the cost is more, you can work or do the farming in a less water, and the what we can see, the soil can be maintained properly. You also, after, as we see, after the filter or before the filter, there may be a fertilization tank. Here fertilization tank is not provided since the area is small. Fertilization tanks, by using the fertilization tank, you can send the fertilizers from this drip irrigation system itself. So one of the more benefit, no need to spread the fertilizers, manpower can be less consumed. So these are the advantages. Here fertilization tank is avoided since the area is small. They are providing the fertilizers by one of the lateral pipe. You can connect the lateral pipe, one of the lateral pipe opening, and then drop the, by using pumps, into the main supply pipe. So this is the drip irrigation system. How do you feel about the video? Please share, do the comments. Okay, here we can also see the normal traditional method which is done here in the same farm. This is a traditional method. From the same chamber, the water can be spread over the area. As you see here, the water area is wetted, the sugarcane plotting is there, done. Large amount of water is utilized instead of the drip irrigation. So it is a drip irrigation, surface irrigation, we can say surface type, and it is also surface type furrow irrigation. So here you can compare both surface irrigation, furrow system, traditional method, ditching method is similar to that, and it is a advanced drip irrigation system. Okay, thank you.